Hi, I'm Elvie from Meadowlark Log Homes, and today we're going to do a video of a black forest and some cool features of this customized black forest. There's some corrugated metal on the siding for the basement, which are really neat. Nice French door going in the basement. I'm going to walk around the outside. Nice big porch. There's a carport or a covered area for the vehicle. That's really a neat feature. Get a view from this side so you can see the 12-foot wide porch provides a nice wide area for your vehicle, covered by that porch roof. So here's the end of the house, and there's some chickens in a little pen. Let's walk around and get a view of the porch, and we'll go inside. Here's the back side of the house, parking area, road along the back here. It's fairly high off the ground. You can always go lower if your ground allows you to do that, so that your step wouldn't be quite as high. There's some corrugated tin for the back siding, which is really nice. Several skylights in the roof to let the sun in, the light in. Okay, this is kind of the back entrance to the house, so let's walk up these stairs. Kitty cat. Nice Siamese cat. Pretty cat. Okay. Here's the porch that we built, that Meadowlark Log Homes put together. The 2-inch planks for the floor. They're getting some weather because this porch roof is not completely covering it. I mean, the overhang of the house is not completely covering the porch, so if you want a longer overhang, it would cover this completely. So there'll be some weather there. So I'm at the front door, screen door. I'm going to walk on around. And the railings are in good shape. This is a few years old. Now here we are at the covered shed porch. Shed being a flatter roof, not too steep. A 12-foot porch, 12-foot wide porch deck. And again, that's the 2-inch planking that we put on. And nice and tall. And nice looking end here. So I'm going to walk around the back side of the porch. On this model, the customer chose porches on 3 sides, and there's no door on this end of the house, but just a giant window to enjoy the view. So that's a really nice feature. And our dog is really having a meal here. So there's another door right on this end of it. Nice big window there. He's getting real serious with his food. So I'm gonna walk back around and go inside that front entry door. Nice swing here. It's a real nice idea there. And so let's go around. Hanging baskets, just really nice on this porch. All those flowers. And there's a grill under the tarp. Let's open this door and go in, have a view inside. There's a kitty door for the animals to go inside. There's a bathroom, quick peek inside there. And so here's the kitchen. The table was made by the owner with some of our logs, perhaps. And the cabinets are really nice, different style. No upper cabinets. That allows a big window here for above the sink. And nice big window there. 2 nice windows for the kitchen. Gas range. Somebody made some brownies. And so this is the archway going into the living room. We're in the dining room right now, so we'll walk into the living room. And that window is so spacious. Looking out in their view. The great room, a little chandelier. I'm I'm going up the stairs now. We'll check out the loft. There's one bedroom in this house in the loft and then one in the basement. There's no bedroom on the main floor. So if you want a bedroom on the main floor, you would need to expand the size a little bit or redesign it or pick a different model. If you're good with a loft bedroom only and a basement bedroom, then you're good. There's an archway, a rounded cutout, which opens up into the bedroom area, the loft. Nice big window there. It's open for some fresh air. TV screen here for the bedroom. There's one of the skylights, one of the lights from the ceiling to bring in some lighting into the bedroom. And then this nice space. Here's a shower, bathroom. That's a nice big window, a 3x3 for the bathroom. And a closet door that they made themselves. The customer made that door herself. Now let's get a view out this great room over the living room area. Nice big window. And there's that one light up there, skylight. Okay, we'll walk downstairs and look at the basement. There's the log stair I'm going down. I'm going to turn around and take a quick view of the stair. The loft railing and the log stairway. And again, a really nice door out the back porch. They repurposed an older door from an old building. Isn't that beautiful? So now we're going downstairs. And this is a concrete wall basement, foam block basement, so it's nice and warm, but roomy. So this is not something that we did. This is done by the customer, by their contractor. And get a quick view of the space. Nice big double French door there. And a grandkid space over here. And a bathroom. So, okay. That's it for the Black Forest tour. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time.